I am Rajaram from Thrissur, Kerala. I now here introduce my way on how to get rid of diabetics by drinking my own urine. That is urine therapy. I have drink my urine 4 times daily. By mouth and nostrils using neti pot. Drink by nostrils. Drink by nostrils is very effective for our respiratory system. Boost our immunity power. In urine therapy, second one is rub. Massage our old urine, old body in our body. We store night urine in bottles, in glass bottles. That 8 days old urine using for massage, body massage. Third one is urine fasting. That we drinks our urine and water. That fasting days compulsory is massaging 2 times daily, morning and evening, 1 hour each. Fourth one, urine enema. We use enema can for enema. This keep in our intestine for 20 minutes and remove it. That clean our intestine and stomach. Fifth one is eye wash. By urine, wash our eyes, then dip in eye pot. This is eye pot for using to eye wash. Pouring urine these pots. Dip our eyes in this pot. This is eye pot for eye wash. This is better for eye problems and some headaches removed from this. Only these 5 things in urine therapy. My experience is, this is my 2017's blood glucose level 5 to 6. HbA1c is 13.3 is very high. After 10 days fasting, HbA1c is decreased to 5.4. That time blood glucose level is 113. That's why I using urine therapy. Now, show my this time blood glucose level. Please see. Diabetic likes lifestyle disease no medication, only use urine therapy, get rid. See this. Today's my glucose level 120 mg only. That's why I recommend the urine therapy for all diseases like lifestyle, diabetic, pressure, severe diseases like cancer, heart attack, asthma, eczema, etc. All illness, one medicine, our urine. Urine is product of blood containing 3000 plus chemicals like urea, protein, amino acids, hormones, vitamins, enzymes, etc. Many medicines made from urine. Examples for cancer, antinoplastin, CDA2, for heart diseases, urokinase, for infertility, metronidine, verprenol, uroflexorian, etc. is medicine used by urine. That's why I recommend the urine therapy for all diseases. You are within few days. If any doubt, clarify, please contact me. My number is 7034993833. Okay, thank you.